Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, it's I, Chacha. So guys, please don't be scared. I'm not an Ojuju Calabar. I just came here to tell you guys that today is Monday and I just got back from my catering school not too long ago, like roughly 1 hour or so. So I just decided to do this to my face. I think it's what they call skincare or something. Then before I go take a shower. So I want to take you guys on how my week is going to be from today being Monday till at least, I don't know, but let's just see how the week is going. So at any point in time, if I feel that the week is not really going well, I might just edit and put it out. But let's just see how it goes. So I'm going to be taking you guys along how my weekend, as in a week in my life, how it always is. So guys, just stay tuned and watch. So guys, it was a Tuesday morning. It was just cold. It was looking like it wanted to rain, but it actually didn't rain. So I went to my catering school. It was a boring day. It was just decoration and we didn't waste time, so we had to close. But it was a nice day actually at the ending. So I just had to go home because I was so tired. Decoration is so stressful, and that was it. So guys, the second day it was raining. I had to go to school, but at a certain point it stopped raining on my way to school. So that was on Wednesday. It was catering day. Like it was, we had to bake a cake and practice how to cream a cake, how to do some drips. So that's our auntie there teaching us the little she knows. So that was the cake, outcome of the cake. It was just a simple birthday cake, and that was it. So guys, today is Thursday. Sorry, I'm not always filming my outside process or when I'm heading to my catering school. Is always very quick because I leave so early. So today we're going to do two stuffs, actually like two things. We're going to bake scones, cookies, and also to have a decoration class. So that day was so stressful. I had a lot to do. As you can see, our cookies is ready. Then afterwards we moved into decoration, which we are busy on, and time as in it was so late. I went home that day around 7, I guess. Yes, 7. So I was so tired. So guys, that was practically what happened. So guys, good morning. It's Friday and it's actually a big day for me today at school. I'm to do my first cake covering. Yes, so it's going to be beautiful. So let's see how it goes. So guys, the process I started, I couldn't video much because I was very busy. So I concocted the cake, and this is the cake outcome. We were three that made a baked cake actually, and it was actually nice actually. And yeah, I was the first. Yeah, my cake was so fine. Like I was so proud of myself. Yes, so guys, sorry about the videos. I just had to put some there just for you to have an idea of what the cakes looks like. So yeah, that's my cake. Yeah, so I don't know what to call it, if it's a heart cake or but I just had this idea to cover my cake up and give it a bow tie kind of. I don't even know, but it's just there. So after school, guys, I decided to go to a market in Umaya called Oriba to buy some of my cake equipment so that I can be practicing at home. So I'm on my way to the market. I couldn't vlog in the market because the market was so like, it was just something else. But actually I got the major things I needed to get in the market, which I was happy. So let's just see what I got from the market. I bought a lot. I bought a cake pan. I bought a bread pan too. Like I was using to bake banana bread. Yes. I have a lot of items here. Let me just bring them out. So guys, this is all the things I got. These are the ingredients together with the equipment, like things I'll use for the baking. There are a lot, like a lot. Hi guys, good morning. Oh, I've missed coming here. Today is Saturday actually. Today is Saturday, so I'll be going to also be giving you guys updates actually. I'll be giving you guys an update of how the week is going to be and how the rest of my week is going to be. I've not been able to come and talk to you guys, but I said let me do that today. So I went to get some things I'm going to use in baking today. I want to bake a meat pie and burger. So I went to get some things yesterday to get I'll use in baking them. So let's just see. And today too, I also want to lose my hair and do some random things too. So let's see how today goes. See you guys later. Bye. today I'm going to use in making the burger and the meat pie. This is the burger bread I saw at ShopRite. I got 2 of it. Then I got minced meat. For the burger, I got another pack. I bought some, I don't know, for meat pie. I got this one's for meat pie there too. Got some carrots for the meat pie, some potatoes for the meat pie. Other ingredients, I have them, so let's start baking. Guys, look at how I'm doing. I'm going to lose this hair today, or else it will soon carry me to the psychiatric. So guys, I also forgot to tell you guys that. So guys, I got my package from AliExpress yesterday. Yeah, it's only one that came in. I ordered the phone tripod, the small one, and a microphone, the mic, and this was only one that came in. So let's hope the other one will come in. So it's just a phone tripod. So let me show you guys. See it came with the small one, just like handle on, and it came with a shutter and the holder. So that's it. I'm just hoping the microphone will so come in sharp. I just hope it will as soon as possible because I really need it. So that's it, sharp. Let's get to the process of making our meat pie. Sipped our flour. Yeah. Alright. Chef Cha-Cha. A spoon of salt. A pinch. Just a pinch. Chef Cha-Cha. All the ingredients together. Downside. Let's do the thing. I put the curry now, huh? Our meat pie dough is ready. Hi guys, good morning. It's Sunday. Yeah, we've come to the end of a week in my life series. Yeah, I couldn't go to church today. I was feeling sick when I woke up actually. Yeah, and also I couldn't make the burger again yesterday because I was tired. after the meat pie. The meat pie was so much, and I was just so tired at the end, so I couldn't make the meat pie. Even my mom, I was supposed to make it for, came back. I was like, thank God I didn't even do the burger. She was not even going to eat it again. That maybe I should leave it till maybe Sunday evening or Monday. So I just had to, free it. So that's it. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Please, if you're just seeing this face for the first time, please do well to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. I love you guys so much. Please enjoy your weekend, and I love you guys so much. Bye.